Hello, and welcome to Multi-Genre Project Research. Multi-genre obviously means different genres. There's 4 required. The main element, the big kahuna, the big one is numero uno, and then the other elements, which are fun and creative, and you have a wide array of choices of how to share your knowledge. Those are the secondary elements. But this week we're going to focus on the main element, the major writing piece. And as you know, you're supposed to choose one of those 4 formats, whichever one works best, you think, for your topic. And we want you to start your research and keep track of your research using wakelet.com. You sign up in the corner, use your Gmail account. You'll start a collection. You had a cover image, you can title it, and then you're copying and pasting the URL for a site or YouTube, whatever. You can see all those options. But this is how you keep track of your sources. And they'll look like this. This is my MGP resources, for example. These are on sleep, and this is a screenshot, so I can't scroll down, but I've also got a playlist and other sources on here. So you can edit the collection there, you add to it. You can also make it private or public. We'd like you to have it so that you can share the link with us, and you move forward. Do your research. This week, work on that main element, keeping track of your sources using wakelet.com. Please contact myself or Ms. Maz with any questions. We're around, certainly. Have a great week and have fun with this. Take care.